my room for one night, and I'm just only alone here because my husband is in at work in the desert, Sahara. So I just get one night, one night for accommodation here in Victoria Hotel. So anyway, the place are good. The place is good, and it's very comfortable. And I will just stay here for one night because I have things to do that I need to be alone. So I just um get one night reserve in hotel here in Victoria Hotel, and it's actually my favorite hotel in Tripoli because it's affordable, and at the same time it's very comfortable. And this is the I already covered the window actually because there's a small table there and one coffee table if you want to have coffee. Anyway, they have a coffee cafeteria down if you want to have cappuccino or something like that. And they have a TV, but I didn't want to open it up. And also, there's a refrigerator, portable. See this one? And they have too much blank cabinets that you can put all your things here. Like for example, my laptop's already there. And if you want to pray, there's also indicated room. So the bed is good, comfortable, and it's actually I get this single room for 260 dinars, and it's quite accepted because in other hotel it costs you about 470 dinars or 420 at least, but here in Victoria, they charge you only for 260 dinars, and if you're couples, then you will just get only the room for 300 dinars, and it's included breakfast also. So there's also big cabinet here, so you can put all your things like this one. So you see my things. It's really, it's really crowded, and the bathroom is really nice. There's a bathtub actually. So it's quite okay for cost of 260 dinars. It's really affordable. So for me, it's the comfortability and the safetyness of the place, and you have also access to more shops and restaurant here because you're in the center of the city. And that's what the thing that I love the most here is that it's near within our church, our Catholic church here in Tripoli. So I really love to stay here because I feel that I'm with Jesus Christ our Lord because it's really near. It's just only in front of the hotel. So I mean, if you want to do something or you want to stay for a night or for 3 days here in Tripoli, so just try Victoria Hotel. It's really nice, and especially the foods during breakfast. It's really nice. The place is very comfortable and give you a comfy and elegant style. Okay, so that's it for us, guys, and see you again in our next vlog. Hopefully, what I'm doing here right now is give me a success. So hopefully, ma-travel pa natin ang ibang place. I don't know really how to do this aircon. Well, it's really time consuming, and I don't know really what to touch. Anyway, I don't like to touch anything else so that maybe I will change the thermostat. Anyway, I'm so hungry. I want to eat. That's all for today. And see my room. It's very nice and comfy. Later, I will get sleep. But I miss my husband so much because this is the first time that I book for a hotel without him because he's in a desert. But anyhow, when he comes, we'll try to book another one. Okay, guys. Thank you and good luck for everybody. Thank you for following me. Thank you.